Yeah, hi everyone. What I've done is I've managed to trim this down. That's how it's to go. What I'm going to be doing, but I want it flush with the cement sheet, not sitting above. So I'll cut around there. Allow a little bit bigger. Oh, no, oh, nice. With using a bigger flange, it's got more to sit on, which is a lot better than that. That's why I didn't want to use that. With this one over here, I've got enough timber for it to sit on, so that's cool. This is the most important one because it's the shower. I'm just using the owner's gear. It saves going out to my van and getting stuff. It's already here, so I'm using it. Not that I would ever own a hammer like that. Whoa, baby. Right, that's how I want it to fit. That's good. It's sitting below the cement sheet. I'll screw that down shortly. I'll silicone around underneath. A bit of PVC glue on that. And my home and hose. Then we've got a good waterproof system. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll screw that down as well. That's cool. Okay, we're getting there. I'll turn the water off on in a minute too, just to check this. Okay, see you soon. Bye.